Hi baristas, I'm Lok Prasad. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the Mahlkonig grinder. As we know already that being a barista we have to serve the best coffee, so we have to maintain the cleaning issue as well. So every company has a different setup, but our goal to remove the coffee stain with the oil. So we already open the screws and we remove the dust, coffee dust with the vacuum. You can see here. Then there is another internal which is making powder. We already remove, clean. You can see here like a oil clean with brush or whatever. Then you can screw it back. You can see here, this is the one, the coffee releasing controller, which is we have to make sure here. Then just set up your lock point there. Just make sure lock point, then you can screw it back again. Thank you guys. See you on next videos. We clean oil, then fix it here.